Hello everyone! Welcome to Journey with Amalia. For today, we have another amazing video, but before we start, please do subscribe, like, and share. So, let's get started! So, ngayon guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng aking nabiling hair dryer. Pag nag-shower ako bago matulog ay ang matagal bago matuyo yung buhok ko, kaya matagal ako nakakatulog. So, nag-decide ako na bumili ng hair dryers. So, charan! So guys, itong hair dryer na to ay nabili ko sa Chongsan Mall sa Baguio. And then the brand is Emarflex. Correct me if I'm wrong. The brand Emarflex, and then ano siya, 1,600 watts power, and then foldable handle, cool shot feature, and two heat flow settings, and safety sensor, and removable air concentrator, removable air filter, and non-slip grip handle, hanging ring feature. So, ito yun siya guys, foldable. And then, so let's open. Are you excited? So, open na natin guys. Ay, nabili ko pala siya guys na 798 pesos. Open na natin guys. Open! Let's open! This is me. Let's open. Let's open. Okay. So, we remove the plastic. Plastic. And ito siya guys. Tanggalin na natin ang kanyang wire. Pero mahaba siya guys yung wire niya. I don't know if how long. Basta long. Guys, estimated 1.5.
Ginagawa mo.
Okay, serious. Ano ba yan? Yung wire niya guys is mahaba. Estimated 1.5 meter. Basta mahaba siya. And then, ito siya. Emarflex. Color black and silver. And then, when you want to sing, do like no.
Ginagawa mo.
Love you. Joke lang. So, ito na siya guys. Pwede siyang, nakaganito siya. Tapos pwede mo siya foldable. This is, wow, foldable. So, siya.
Sana all.
Fancy. And then do like this. And then there is color blue button. When you want permanent heat, press it. And meron siyang 1, 2, 3. If I know what 1, 2. Kung gusto mo lang siya ng low heat, 1. And then if kung gusto mo ng mas mainit, put into 2. Number 2. So, are you ready to rumble? And so this one guys, pwede mo siyang ikutin and then do like, oh. No, you can do like that, then that. You can do what you want. So, try na natin guys. And then, in additional, this handle is collapsible, and when you travel any world, this is easy for travel. Do like that. Okay? Para hindi malaki space na magamit ko sa inyong mga luggage or your bag, pwede siyang i-fold Kung gusto mo siyang dalhin sa pag-travel mo anywhere. It's only 798 and you can have your own hair dryer. So, guys, try na natin ang ating nabiling hair dryer. So, kung gusto niyo pumili ng hair dryer na matuyo agad yung buhok niyo is MR Flex. And a very affordable price, 798, may dryer ka na. So, ito na guys, try na natin. Wow! Sakto lang yung init niya guys sa number 1. Kung gusto mo lang hindi masyadong mainit, ilagay mo lang siya sa number 1. And then, kung gusto mong sobrang init ng masulong na chart, matuyo agad yung buhok mo, lagay mo siya sa number 2. Whoops! Wow! I feel the power of the universe chart. Sobrang init na siya guys. Sobrang init yung seconds or 1 minute to 2 minutes matuyo agad yung buhok mo. Makakatulog ka na agad kapag maligo ka bago matulog. So, this is good for 798 and amazing hair dryer for a very affordable price. So, what are you waiting for? Shop now! Pay later, char. Hindi to pay later, guys, cash. I bought only cash. Hindi siya pwede yung pay later, char. Joke lang. So, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, guys, ng ating simple unboxing for my hair dryer, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please click the notification bell para updated kayo sa tuwing mag-upload ako ng aking video. So, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Mwah!